Hello friends, today our topic is test bed, test suite, patch, hotfix and build. These are some common testing terms which we generally use in our day-to-day life. Let me explain it one by one. So the first one is test bed. So an execution environment configured for testing purpose is called as test bed. So what execution environment means? When we have an application available or a build available shared by the development team, we need to run it on a certain environment like Android environment or some browser or some iOS devices. So these environment will be considered as test bed. Next one is test suite. So it is a collection of test cases used for different test case type. So as we know, we in order to test the application, we generally prepare some test case, positive or negative, and these test case will be kept inside a suite. Uh, the suite may be regression, sanity, smoke, etc. So the collection of test cases inside a particular suite testing type is called as test suite. Next one is patch. So it is a piece of code used to fix the bug or add a new feature on a temporary basis for the application is called as patch. Next one is hotfix. It is a quick correction used to fix a bug and typically bypass the normal development process in a live environment is called as hotfix. So suppose we have a bug we found on production environment and that need to be fixed instantly. So in that case, we generally term that particular fixes as hotfix. Next one is build. It is a process by which the source code is converted into a standalone form that can be run on a device. One of the most important step of a software build is the compilation process, where the source code file are converted into executable code. So I have already discussed about build in my previous video. Like we use the term build for every testing type. Like I have said, like build is shared by the dev team. So when we talk about build, it is a like standalone converted source code which we can run on a device. So programmer generally write some codes on a file, and those file will be compiled and then produced a standalone uh, application. And these application or these build uh, will be run on different environment like Android or iOS or web. So for this process we use these term build. So these are few software testing terminology which we generally use in our day-to-day life, and it is also important as per the interview point of view.